Wow, that was unexpected. For one county?
Tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the
Watch
bridge.
Oh wait, my
Severe
bad.
weather may not be imminent.
Totally forgot.
Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen
Nope,
for latest
you're not.
statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Wait a minute. This is actually giving me...
Tornado watch number 50 has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Standard
Well, of course. This means that the stream didn't activate. Oh well. Well, that sucks.
10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following county: Cass, Texas. Remember,
I can hardly even hear it.
this means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
Alright.
including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds.
Well, it's now time for a direct audio of the watch on ArkLaTex Weather TV.
Imminent tonight. Scattered to numerous strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 50, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following county: Cass, Texas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 50 has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Cass, Texas.